Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube, maybe on your mobile phone, on your PC. So this video is going to show you on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. The first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube on your mobile app, then click on your profile by my right hand side here, and can see now, and click on settings, then click on general. You can see restricted mode has been turned off. You can see this helps to hide potential mature videos. You can see, then you are just going to turn it off like this. You can see by this I have turn it off. Then the second one is to go to your your Gmail account here. You can see, then click on manage your Google account, and here are going to go into personal info. You can see here is where you are going to update your date of birth if you are not up to 18. Can see here is how you are going to edit your date of birth if you are not up to 18. Make sure that you're up to 18, or you can update it if you are not up to 18, and by this you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.